I'm gonna organize my makeup. We're wasting time. Hello hotties, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I'm Allie Mack and I'm currently a 7th grade math teacher. Please click the subscribe button so you don't miss any other videos from me. So since we are stuck at home, a lot of us have been watching YouTube. This is my day 3 of Vlogune, V-L-O-G-U-N-E. It's basically like Vlogmas, but you do it in June. Anyway, I was lucky enough to win a giveaway. I never win anything, but I finally won. Curly King, her channel and how she applies makeup is the most, it's so satisfying to watch. She is so skilled with what she does. Please check her out. I will link her in the description below. So most of the makeup that I'm going to show you in this video, she purchased by giving me $50. Makeup area has been disastrous, and I'm not lying when I'm telling you that my makeup area does not get dirty. It just doesn't. But since I haven't been wearing makeup a whole lot, I just do it when I do videos or have to do a Zoom meeting or something, it just got messy. It got messy, and I don't plan on it getting messy again. So I would love it if you watched me clean it. If this does not sound interesting to you, you can go. No need to stay. But hey, comment below the fire emoji so I know you at least were here to say hey, all right? Because I know watching people organize makeup is not everybody's thing, but I kind of find it relaxing. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Come on, watch me organize.
Straight edge on it, so it's very easy. Maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain. This knife has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain.
Cleaning tip 101. If you have a really messy area like I obviously do, take everything off, clean down your surface, and then put it back in its own category. You're welcome.
This knife has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain. This knife has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain.
I think that is as clean as this table's gonna get. I'm looking at it like an art classroom. There's paint everywhere, but you know a lot of magic has happened. So that's what we're going with. It's good. Okay, surface is clean. Now I'm gonna decide where everything's gonna go, and I'm gonna put it back up here. This is my favorite part.
It has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain. This knife has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain. Has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain.
All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found it helpful, informative, or even entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below the lipstick emoji. And as always, you all have an amazing day. Go check out Curly Keen's YouTube page. She is phenomenal. And I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.